The second Interregional Dialogue on Education and Development in Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean will be held in Addis Abeba, Ethiopia in July this year in the headquarters of the African Union Commission. This is an event that is co-organized by Obreal, the African Union Commission, the government of the Federative Republic of Brazil through its Ministry of Education and CAPES, with the support of the African Association of Universities and the Latin American and the Caribbean higher education space. This event will consist of 3 days of work. The first day will be devoted to political dialogue between political authorities and national authorities and regional and continental organizations. And the second and third day will be devoted to the academic and scientific dialogue on priorities and thematic areas that are strategic for the development of both regions, such as digitalization, data, recognition, higher education as a vehicle for development and for regional and continental integration. This all started at the Transforming Education Pre-Summit that was held in Paris in 2022. That is when the former head of Education Division of the African Union Commission and the former Ministry of Education of Argentina, who was exercising the presidency of CELAC, gathered for the first time and discussed the possibility of having an interregional dialogue on higher education and development within both regions. That led us to the first event in Barcelona in November 2022 with the support of Obreal as a strategic partner for CELAC and for the African Union Commission on higher education. That led also after that to the first interregional dialogue that was held in Argentina in March 2023 and to another event that was held in Namibia where many rectors and many authorities from Latin American and the Caribbean associations of universities gathered with their African counterparts to keep following up and deepening this dialogue. This is absolutely key for Obreal. This interregional dialogue materializes our unique perspective regarding interregional cooperation in the higher education sector. Our vision that there are many Souths and many Norths that are diverse, but that share common problems and common challenges that require shared solutions. It also constitutes a platform to pass an essential message that empowered universities and higher education institutions are key agents of development and are crucial and essential for the interregional, regional, and continental integration processes.